Hello Libra, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus signs. Kamusta kayo? Sana po ay nasa mabuti kayong kalagayan. Welcome back po sa Star Tarot. Kung bago kayo rito, welcome din kayo. Thank you sa inyong support. I truly appreciate it. God bless you all. Libra. Una mensahe ninyo, King of Winter. Ayan. So, at this time, it is very important that you communicate clearly. Okay? Kailangan ninyo na maging malinaw sa pag-express ng inyong sarili, pag-express ng kung ano man ang inyong gustong sabihin or kung ano man ang inyong nararamdaman. Okay? Be objective and unemotional and act as professionally as possible. If you need advice, seek out the most experienced expert you can find. Ayan. For some of you, no, kung kailangan din ninyo ng advice, kailangan ninyo ng input ng iba, then don't procrastinate, straightforward, maghanap kayo ng tao na makakatulong sa inyo. You can approach any professional if you need professional help, no? Depende sa inyong sitwasyon. What else? We have unity. Embrace this time of deep spiritual growth. You may feel called to act as a mentor, as a teacher, or spend time with others who are also on a sacred path. Ayan, Libra. Siguro ang iba sa inyo, ito yung ano ninyo, ginagawa ninyo, no? Maybe you are a mentor, you are a teacher, maaring you are a spiritual guide, spiritual counselor, maaring ganon, no? Ang trabaho ninyo. We have 7 of Summer. Ayan, so it's time to stop procrastinating and make a decision so that you can move forward with a priority, no? Kasi maaring meron dito mga opportunities na kumakatok sa inyo, pero siguro hindi kayo, alam mo yun, hindi ninyo mapagdesisyonan ito, no? Kasi nagpo-procrastinate kayo. Maaring ang tawag dito, parang urong-sulong siguro kayo sa ngayon. Maaring hindi ninyo sigurado kung alin yung kukunin ninyo, kung alin yung best para sa inyo dyan, ano? Kaya baka nag-overthink lang kayo, no? Baka nag-overanalyze kayo sa mga opportunities na to. Kaya stop procrastinating, no? Listen to your heart, listen to your intuition para magabayan kayo kung alin yung best para sa'yo. Okay? We have Prince of Spring. An opportunity arises that needs your attention right away. Ayan, so maaaring ito, related ito dito sa 7 of Summer energy. Merong opportunity na kumakatok sa inyo sa ngayon. Maaaring isa yan dito sa 7 of Summer na kailangan na ninyong aktuhan, kailangan na ninyong bigyan ng atensyon, right away. Otherwise, it might slip away, no? 'Di ba? At maghihintay kayo ng another cycle, no? Para bumalik yan sa inyo kung ma-miss niyo yan sa ngayon. Kaya, moving quickly is important sa ngayon. Kailangan ninyong magmabilis. Kailangan ninyong tanggalin talaga yung procrastination na yan at tingnan ninyo agad-agad ang opportunity na ito. Okay? So, what else? We have the World. Napakaganda. Congratulations kasi you are successfully accomplishing what you set out to do. Kung ano man itong mga pinagkakaabalahan ninyo, pinagtatrabahuan ninyo, kung ano man itong mga pinagfo-focusan ninyo, now is the time that you are going to successfully accomplish that. No? You've made it through the challenges and incorporated the lessons life offered you with grace and courage. Kung ano man ito, no, na pinaghirapan ninyo, talagang definitely you are going to accomplish that sa ngayon. Kaya congratulations for the job well done, no? Your hard work, no, is paying off sa ngayon. What else? We have Queen of Summer. This is a time of deep emotions and heightened intuition that you can trust completely. Ayan. So, talagang ano kayo ngayon, your psychic abilities are on point, Libra. Your intuitive abilities are on point, kaya trust your intuition. Alright? Trust the messages that you are receiving. Alright? Dahil yan ang tawag dito, yan ang magagabay sa inyo sa inyong mga decisions sa ngayon. Be mindful, you don't ignore your own needs while caring for others as well, okay? Baka sobra din kayong maalaga ngayon sa mga tao, marami kayong inaalagaan, marami siguro kayong inaasikaso, pero baka ma-neglect ninyo yung inyong sarili. Baka ma-neglect ninyo yung inyong sariling kapakanan or yung sarili ninyong, tawag dito, yung health ninyo, yung ganon, ano? So, while you are taking care of others, also, don't forget to take care of yourself, okay? We have Four of Winter. Thoroughly think things through before making a decision. Nasa tapat niya si Seven of Summer. Kaya kailangan talaga ninyo na pag-isipan mabuti. Before you make a decision, before you choose kung ano man ang opportunity na iti-take advantage ninyo rito, make sure na pag-isipan ninyong mabuti. Tune into your intuition, as I've said earlier, because it will lead you, no? It will guide you to the right decision, okay? Continuing to overanalyze isn't going to help you anyway, no? And any to closer, you any closer to a resolution. So, huwag na kayong huwag na kayong mag-overanalyze, no? Huwag na ninyong pahirapan ang inyong sarili, ang inyong isipan. Tune into your intuition. Sundin ninyo ang bulong ng divine universe sa inyo. But meditation and prayer will bring the answers you seek. So, makakatulong sa inyo kung magma-meditate kayo, magpa-prayer mode kayo. Okay? So, what else? We have 8 of Autumn. It's the perfect time to learn. So, what else? We have 10 of Winter, and the end of a career path, project, or relationship brings feelings of mixed joy and sadness, relief and disappointment. Ayan. So, siguro ano to, Libra, meron kayong mga magtatapos or tatapusin ng career path or relationship or a project because siguro maaaring hindi na ito yung sa tingin ninyo para sa'yo, no? Maaaring hindi na kayo rito masaya, maaaring hindi na to rewarding para sa'yo, or baka it's taking a toll on you, maaaring ganun ang ganap, no? Kaya mixed emotions din ang mararamdaman ninyo rito. But for sure, no, this is for your best interest. This is for your highest good. Kung ano man ang bagay na to na tatapusin nyo na ang connection ninyo with it, this is for your best interest. But of course, sometimes talaga maaaring makaramdam pa rin kayo dito ng lungkot, makaramdam kayo ng excitement then on the other side, no? So mixed emotions ito, no? But for sure, kung ano man itong babaguhin ninyong sitwasyon sa buhay ninyo, this is for your best interest. So good luck. Thank you for watching Love and Light. Namaste.